So let's continue with question 3 of the CSEC Math May 2024 Paper 2. We're on part C, which has to do with transformations. Diagram below shows a shape T and its image Q after a transformation. So this is the graph. So for part 1, we have to describe fully the single transformation that maps shape T onto shape Q, and this is with 2 marks. So if we look at these two shapes, T and Q, this certainly looks like a reflection. So the question is, what is the mirror line? So the mirror line definitely has to be midway between the corresponding points on the object and the image. So therefore, it's this diagonal line here, which I'm going to draw in. Okay. So you would notice that this line passes through the points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, etc. So therefore, the equation of this line is y is equal to x, because the x and y coordinates of all those points are equal. So the reflection is in the line y is equal to x. So all we have to do, and I'll type it out, single transformation and map shape T onto shape Q is a reflection in the line y equals x. Okay, and that's sufficient for the 2 marks. Let's look at part 2. On the diagram above, show the image of shape T after it undergoes a translation by the vector -1, 6. Label this image M, and that's with 1 mark. So shape T, we're going to translate it by this vector -1, 6. So -1 means that we have to move it 1 unit to the left, and 6 means we have to move it 6 units up. So let's look at shape T. So I'm going to move each point 1 unit to the left and 6 units up. So I'm going to change the color of my pen. Let's use red. Okay, so let's look at this first point here. So if I move it 1 unit to the left, right, that will be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so therefore it will end up at this point here. Let's do the other point, which is this point. So if I move it 1 unit to the left, it will be at 4, 1. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so we end up at this point. And let's do this point here now. So if we move it 1 unit to the left, it will be here, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's this point here. And the last point, moving it 1 unit to the left, so that's here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so therefore, this will be our image, and they told us to label it M after the translation. Okay, so that's your 1 mark.